Hello, my name is Juan, and welcome back to Spare Hub. In this video, we will take a look at the Lemmer RP1115 pump. This is a heavy-duty pump that is designed for use with the rust-proofing materials and also undercooling products. So it's very versatile. These pumps have a power double-acting piston, right? Which is very good and very excellent for all the performance, and due to this has a long service life. So these pumps are built to last forever. So we're gonna go more into this, so let's go. This pump comes in 3 different presentations: 20 liters, 60 liters, and these 2 that I have here, which are 205 liters. The only difference between all of them is that the pickup tube size, the one that is located here, is gonna be corresponding to the size of the barrel that you choose. The RP1115, which is this pump that we have here, feature an impressive 11 liters per minute in free flow and have a ratio of 15:1. So that means that if you input 100 psi of pressure here of air, it's gonna output 1500 of pressure, which is really good. Also, this pump is designed for direct suction. Especially these 2 are for a suction from a 205 liter drum, taking out the need of an external pressure tank. So that make it perfect for internal use, for small, medium, or large jobs, depending on the size that you choose. Also, it featured 3 to 5 CFM, typically at 60 psi. The packings are all Teflon and HDPE, which is very good. They have an spring-loaded upper packing, for greater longevity. The industrial quality metal that has been used to build this pump is very good. And the most important feature of all, they have a reliable heavy-duty air motor. So this pump is going to last a long time. Typically, this pump comes in 3 sizes that I previously mentioned, but it also comes in 2 different kits, which are the 2 kits that I have here. So the first one is this kit that comes with an Airless gun, in this case an L50 gun, and a 20 feet hose, an air pressure regulator, in this case is a regulator, and other accessories that are gonna be used when you're spraying, right? The second one is the kit that I have here at my right, which is a fogger kit, which means it comes with a fogger gun, this one, which is the best technology for spraying inside of door cavities and hard to reach area. Industrial aircraft, industrial machinery, or even military equipment are very good for this. It comes with a 50 hose feet, a dual air regulator for the gun and the pump, and also features a filter for the material that is coming outside of the pump. So let's talk about maintenance and cleaning of the pumps and the accessories. In this case, maintenance, you don't need to do any maintenance to the pumps. If anything happens, which is very rare, to the air motors or even the packings, you're not gonna need to do anything. You can just bring it here and we're gonna change everything. Once again, this is very rare to happen. This is a very reliable air pump, so is not a problem with that. And for the cleaning process, typically is not needed since the undercoating and rust-proofing materials are not gonna dry inside the pump, so they're gonna keep flowing. Even if you leave it like 2 or 3 days, they're not gonna dry inside. But if you're feeling like you want to clean the pump, clean the accessories, just run the proper chemical inside the pump, in this case for rust proofing or undercoating. It's gonna be Barzol, so you can run Barzol without any issues. It's not gonna damage the packings or anything, and that is gonna clean everything from your pumps and your accessories. As an extra care, try to use a filter, a pickup filter, so the material that you're gonna use is not gonna bring some foreign bodies to the pump, like for example rocks or chips that are gonna just clog the pump. Once again, this is a very rare case of clogging or damaging the packaging, but that is not gonna happen. Now let's walk through the setup of the RP1115 rust proofing pump. So we start by connecting the air regulator to the pump air inlet port. So this is the regulator and this is the air inlet port, right? This allows you to adjust the incoming pressure to match any of your spray needs. So the air inlet fitting on the pump is 1/4 inch. So ensure your compressor hose is compatible or use the proper adapter as we did here. Remember, if you have any leaks, use Teflon tape so you don't have any air leaks, right? Next, install the outlet fluid filter, which is this one, into the pump's fluid outlet port, which is this one, with the correct fitting as well. This filter mostly helps prevent clogs in the spray gun by capturing any debris here or contaminants in the rust proofing fluid. All right, remember, the in part of the filter should be facing the pump, and the out part should be facing the hose of the system. Connect the high pressure fluid hose to the filter outlet and then attach the other end to the spray gun. This is the material side of the gun, and this is where the filter is for the gun to have an extra protection, right? Also connect the air supply hose from your regulator to the gun, right? From here, and this is the air side of the gun, right? And connected from the air compressor to the inlet side of the regulator in here. In many cases, there is a quick coupler installed, so you can easily connect the air inlet into the regulator. Also, make sure the compressor is capable of delivering at least 90 to 120 psi and around 4 to 5 CFM of airflow for consistent operation. With all the connections made, turn on your compressor and slowly adjust the regulator, this one, to your desired pressure setting for the pump. Typically around 90 psi is for most rust proofing applications. Remember not to go. With all connection made, turn on your compressor and slowly adjust the regulator to your desired pressure setting in here. Typically around 90 psi for most rust-proofing applications. Remember not to go over the maximum air input pressure of 125 psi. That is for the pump and for the gun as well. So these control the pumps, these control the gun. Also, always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves, these ones, goggles, and if needed, a proper mask. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any fumes. So with the regulator, filter, gun, and the compressor connected, your RP1115 is now ready for priming and spray. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more about these pumps, kits, accessories, prices, availability, you can go to sprayerhub.com or lemmer.com, and under the category of rust proofing, you're gonna find everything there. So thank you again, and we'll see each other in another video. Have a nice one.